winter relentless forlorn. Blood turns frozen, yet fire burns within. Our kingdom of frost shall rise again. Hear the cries across the night, enchanted by time's cold hand. An echo from the fallen will guide us to the battle's land. Echoes of forgotten blizzards running through the stormy sky. Through the frost and endless winter shall our steel be flaming free. Echoes of forgotten blizzards where the ancient heroes lie. We shall raise our swords on high and let the storm forever cry. Through the arches of eternal light, where legends are carved in stone and in vice, a legion of spirits so frozen remains. Their voices resound through the crystal chains. Their call is like thunder, a song from a fire long past. An echo from the fallen will guide us to the battle's land. Echoes of forgotten blizzards running through the stormy sky. Through the frost and endless winter shall our steel be flaming free. Echoes of forgotten blizzards where the ancient heroes lie. We shall raise our swords on high and let the storm forever cry. The winds cut sharp as steel, a choir of storm's own voice. When echoes of the fallen become the flame of choice. Final!